Hi, I'm Brandy and this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be unboxing my Magical Earth box. So normally I have it out of the mailer, but today there's goodies inside the mailer. So let's check it out. So there's this sweet little thing that says thank you. And a little bamboo plant. Isn't that precious? I've never had a bamboo plant, but I'm really excited. Okay, so we'll put you here. Alright, it's heavy. Oh, it says thank you. You're welcome. Here's the insert. Ooh, lovely deck. Two of Swords. It's my tarot card. This is probably my astrology. Oh, and it's, nope, the glue is okay. Leo. Pisces. Okay, if you hear doggy footsteps, it's because my dogs are hanging out around here. So this is a bamboo crystal heart jar. I don't see that yet, but I'm sure it's in there now. Tree Scents Sacred Fire Blends. And then custom woodworks. Let's see what we got in here. There's a lot of informational stuff. Aw, sweet. I love these little heart-shaped gems. Pretty, pretty. It's a clear quartz. So there's some information about clear quartz. Okay. I got pink tourmaline coming. Ooh, that is not pink tourmaline, but it is rattling. Oh, it's rattling. Oh, it's rattling because it's got all these stones in it. It is Magical Earth Rose Water infused with rose quartz, clear quartz, and garnet. Let me smell it. I love rose water. Well, I splashed myself in the face, but otherwise great. And I love the crystals in it. Oh God, I'm making a mess. Awesome. You hear the little noise it's making? Alright. Is this going to be my pink tourmaline? It says thank you. You're welcome. Ooh, wow. Look at this. Wow. Whoa. This must be the pink tourmaline. Tree Scents Blends, Sacred Fires, 100% organic wood ritual incense. So birch is goddess, oak is god, so on and so forth. What did I get? Combination of 100% organic heartwood shavings for ritual incense use containing, oh, apple for love, oak for God, birch for goddess, fir for friendship, hawthorn for purity, hazel for wisdom, grape for joy, rowan for life, and willow for death. To be burned in the sacred fires for each of the 8 Sabbats. Wow! Cool. And a little poem on the back. Awesome. It's sealed, or else I would open it. But this is definitely something I will 100% use. I can see my heart jar. Hello, heart jar. So precious. I love differently shaped jars. So, bamboo crystal heart jar. And then you get, it's got little instructions for how to set this up, because this goes with this, and that is so cute. Oh, and these are the little crystal chips that go with it. Nice. Whoa, beautiful. I love it. Oops. No. Oh, stay here. Oh my goodness, I'm making a mess and I'm losing my chips. I don't want to do that. So that's really cool. I love that. And then we've got the Magical Earth number 7 Love Spell. Ooh, my stones are a little displaced, but that's, ooh, I love it. Wish I could give you some smell-o-vision. So that's a really nice candle. I am not sure what this is for. Maybe it's just a, it looks like the same company as this. So I'm assuming this is like their information for this. So that's pretty cool. Now let's look at the insert. That's everything in there, but I'm really pleased with this month. Let's see, February 18th to March 19th. With all that is happening astrologically and seasonally, the intent of this month's boxes provide you with the tools you need to open your heart chakra and to aid you in the exploration of love. Pink tourmaline to merge the head and the heart, infusing love and spirituality. Bamboo crystal heart jar. Bamboo shoot with heart-shaped plantar and crystals. Clear quartz heart to magnify empathy, compassion, expanding consciousness. Sacred fire incense. Crystal infused rose spray made with certified vegan and organic ingredients. You can use it everywhere on everything. It's a wonderful mood lifter. Monthly astrological overview and a tarot card mindfully drawn just for you. And then there's, ooh, there we go. That's their information. And that's the insert. That is the box for Pisces. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's probably one of the few boxes I've ever gotten that I'm going to use every single item. And not that I don't love the other boxes. It's just sometimes, you know, frankly, I'm not that super into ritual oils. But this, I am going to use every single bit. So this is Magical Earth. This is their premium box. So I will leave the information in the description, but it is around $50 a month. They have several other options that you can check out. They have like a Magical Earth bath box. They have a smaller box besides the premium. And I think they have a crystals only box, but please don't quote me off of just my memory. It has been a long day. Let's just check it out in the description so I don't tell you lies. Okay, I love it. Check it out. They're a wonderful company. The Magical Earth. This is February 18th through March 19th because they don't run months a month. They run zodiac sign to zodiac sign. I really enjoy this box. I would recommend it to you. So if you have any comments, please leave them below. I love to hear from you guys, and I will answer basically any comment that's sent to me. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And about 10 more subscribers, I'm going to be doing another giveaway, and that should be pretty exciting. Also, hello, I got over 1,000 views on one of my boxes, so I ordered an extra one to give away, so stay tuned for that in March. Anyways, thank you guys so much for your time. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day where you make sure that you give yourself all the love and attention that you deserve. Have a good night. Bye.